In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and remove subscribers in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Managing your email list is crucial, and sometimes you need to clean up subscribers for various reasons. So, let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the first option, removing a subscriber from a specific list only. This method is handy if you want to stop sending someone particular emails while still retaining their user data and history in your Klaviyo system. To get started, head over to your Klaviyo dashboard. Here, look at the side menu and find the option labeled Lists and Segments. Click on that to open it up. Once you're in, navigate to the specific list that you want to clean up. Click on the list and you'll see all the subscribers who are currently part of it. Now, to locate the person you want to remove, you can either scroll through the list manually or use the search bar at the top to quickly find their email address. Once you find the subscriber's entry, look to the far right side of their row. You'll see 3 little dots. Click on those. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options. Here, simply select Remove. This action will take them off that specific list. But remember, their data will still be safe and sound within your Klaviyo account. Now let's move on to the second option, which is a bit more drastic. This is how you can permanently delete a profile and all of its associated data. You should only consider this option if you're certain that you want to erase a contact completely, because this process is irreversible. First, navigate to the Audience section from your main menu and click on Profiles. In the Profiles section, you'll want to search for the subscriber's email address. Once you find it, click on their name to open their profile details page. After you've opened their profile, scroll down to the bottom of the page or check the side options. You should see an option that says Delete Profile. Go ahead and click that. But before you go any further, Klaviyo will ask you to confirm that you really want to erase everything associated with that contact. Take a moment to make sure this is what you want to do, and if you're absolutely certain, go ahead and confirm. And just like that, you've successfully removed a subscriber from a specific list, or you've also permanently deleted a profile from your system. Always be cautious, especially with irreversible actions, as they can impact your data and communications. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial on how to delete and remove subscribers in Klaviyo. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. It helps us create more content like this.